Hello. This video is about a brand new openwork knitting pattern that is often made for the summer and has an uncommon relief and texture. 3 stitches and 2 rows make up the knitting design. The example has a stitch count that is a multiple of 3 plus 2 edge stitches. Performance is simple. I'll demonstrate how to connect 2 loops to one another to create the desired effect. Let's start from the right side. Row 1 right side. The loops are in groups of 3. Slip the first one with the thread at the back without knitting. Pull up a long loop after the 3rd stitch. Get the first loop and drop it above the long loop. Knit the 2nd and 3rd. Again, slip 1. Pull up a long loop. Drop the first loop above the long loop. Knit 2. Slip 1. Pull up a long loop. Drop the first loop above the long loop. Knit 2. Continue knitting like this until the end of the row. Row 2 on the wrong side. Purl all stitches from the beginning to the end of the row. When knitting in the round, the difference is in the 2nd row. All stitches are knitted. I have presented you with a stylish, simple, and easy knit with a lovely relief pattern and a soft openwork texture that is perfect for summer clothing and accessories. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate you all being here. Click the like button if you enjoy the video. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to watch all of my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit joyfully and with affection. See you soon.